Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is mandevu.com. Driving is fun. Let's learn together. Somo la leo. So guys, welcome back to another episode. And today we are going to learn about the meanings of different dashboard lights in our vehicles. So follow me, we learn together. This is our dashboard, and by the way, I'm using a Toyota Probox. So this vehicle is a Toyota Probox. This one here is the dashboard. So the ignition is turned on. So these are the lights on the dashboard which I want us to talk about and get to know their meanings. For example, this one here for safety belt, and this one here for parking brake. When you turn on the key, the dashboard lights will appear. When you start the engine, some of the lights will disappear, and as you can see on my dashboard, the remaining lights on our dashboard are 3. So one for parking, this one here for parking, and this one here for safety belt. Now, this blue light symbol you see here indicates that the engine temperature is cold. Switch off, switch on, start the engine, so there are 3 lights on our dashboard. If I disengage the parking brake, the parking brake symbol will disappear. So let me show you. Can you see? It has disappeared. Now, see what happens when I buckle up the seat belt. The safety belt symbol has disappeared. So the parking brake is now engaged. Safety belt not buckled up. So not just these ones on a Toyota Probox, but I have gathered different dashboard lights from different vehicles. I'll be sharing them with you. As a driver, you should always be aware of your vehicle's dashboard light, because these lights, some of them give us warnings and some of them informs us of the functions that we have activated in our vehicles. Now, up to that point, we've come to the end of today's lesson. So thank you so much for watching, and please remember to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaba.